Hello everyone, good day to you. Today we will continue to our this tutorial Pixlr E. So now I'm just log in and then you just click the open image and then choose today our this tutorial continually with this pen. Okay, now once I click the pen, this bar here they have a variable, then we will click this arrow that have a plane, okay, neon, scratch, and so on. So now I just show some of them, and then this size is number 8. So for example, now my color is a blue, so I can draw, okay, draw something like here. Okay, so this is the plane. We also can change becoming neon. So once I change the neon, I also can select the color I want. Just click over here. Then I can choose whatever the color, for example, like this. Okay, adjust to here. Then they have see this code number. When click OK, then you can write in neon, for example. So you can go ahead to try one by one. So this is the pen tool for this using. So the keyboard shortcut is P. Okay, so now I undo those things. So now we can go into this another tool is called draw. Then the shortcut is called B. You can just keep press the button B in your keyboard. Okay, so that one totally is to paint an image with color. Okay, so now the brush size is this one, and then the size is 64, softness is 18, step is like this. Okay, now this color is over here. So now I just, this one is called draw. Okay, so now the draw here have a mirror, then I have a selection as well. Then I have a none. So just now I already do one more time for you. This one is called none. Then how about we click the selection, another selection. For example, vertical. Okay, what is the vertical? Mirror vertical. So that means when I draw left, then we're coming right in the same item or same outcome like this. Then I draw, they will like this. Okay, so now then we can select about the horizontal. Okay, now I just draw this one up. I draw like this. Below bottom part also do like this. I draw. So this one is a mirror horizontal. Okay, so another final one, the last one is called four-way. Four ways, because will be easily to understand. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 corner here. If I draw something in this corner, they will come out with the another 3 corner. So this one is called mirror 4. Okay, so this is this tool. So now we can go in check about this one. It's called erase. Erase is a part of an image with a brush and cut out the tool. Okay, so now once I click this one, then I can erase, click the person or the part I don't want. It look like an erase, then it will be missing. So now I undo first. Another example is like this. I think I open it one image. Then okay, I take this one whiteboard for this tutorial. Okay, so now for example, I click this previous mention about this one, and then I just draw like this. Okay, 4-way. So 4-way I change to none. So I just click like this. So because this breakout color is white, so now I use the erase, then I can erase it. But this one just only after you erase is becoming the white color. So if let's say I erase outside, this is gray color or brown color, actually is also same like a previous one, like this is erase and not this image. So what is the purpose one have apply of this erase? So now I will let you know. Here we coming this plus button here to click image. So now this image I just use one of this image for this tutorial. So now I drag this color page or the photo becoming bottom. Okay, now I click back this main photo or background photo, click the erase. Now this erase the size I can adjust a bit, maybe about 200. Then I just click over here to erase something like this. Okay, like this. So there will be come out there will, you see they already come out the bottom or the below picture image like this. So this is the erase function. Okay, so once you're happy about this result, just right click about this first page, and then you can click merge down, then becoming one photo, and then you can come to the file, save or export as a PNG for this photo for your further use. Okay, so now I just undo first. So this is okay. So this is I want to let you know about this erase. Okay, so now we're back to this photo. So now another tool is called color replace. So color replace also is not so difficult and then very friendly to use. So once I click this color replace, so they have a brush. So brush I can maybe adjust to about 100. Okay, 100. Then the mode, they have 1 auto, 2 is hues, number 3 is saturation, number 4 is bright, and number 5 is fill. So now we try to check auto first. Okay, the auto, then now the current color is like this. So maybe I can change to whatever, maybe green color as well. So now I just click over here, the dress here, then the dress from the blue will change to this green color. Okay, this is the auto. Okay, like this. Okay, so for example now, oops, sorry. So now if let's say I change to hue, okay, what is the result? So now this one I think the brush I change maybe about 300. So this one I click, you can see the hue, yeah, also it's a green color, but the color will be not so strong if I compare with the previous one, the auto mode. Okay, so now we're back, and then we change to we select the mode is saturation, then we click anything. Oh, he will saturation will be look like this. Okay, that will be back to the person, like a superhero. Okay, so now I undo. So I change to brightness. Okay, definitely brightness is make the thing more brightness. Okay, so very easy to understand. Okay, then this one undo, and then fill. Okay, definitely fill. I think is a fill in something. Okay, fill in something. What is the things? That one is a green color, from the blue becoming green color. Okay, so this is today I'm sharing. I hope you enjoy this video and see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.